Hi guys, in this tutorial, let's go to change a little bit uh, our donate charts here. Let's go to change here. I want to give in the rotation as well. So this one I just did 50. Let's go to this one, give rotation maybe 90. See, and this one 7 75 or okay, leave it for 80. 120, and this one for 70. So look guys, how it's changed in the rotation. Look now. Yes, now it's look perfect. And we are going to change the colors, right? Now go to change. Okay, here. So this one, the female color, let's go to use our own color. Yes, for more light. Okay, this one. And for male, we are going to use no. We change to this male, this one, and to female, this one. Look nice, yeah. Look guys, that color is look perfect, I think. And you can change whatever you want. So let's go to change one by one. And if you have guys any question, so you go to change female and male. Click. That's to change all of them. And our final rate. So here, guys, we are going to change the title. We have under the 25, right? Let's go to change the title. Title. Here, we're going to use 25, 34. This one, okay, 35, 44, 45, 54, this one bit up to 55. Wow. Look guys, how it looks. It's look amazing, right? And the title we are going to give title background. We are going to give this one. All the titles the same color. Look guys. So we give the best color. Just click to change all the colors. Guys, you are going to do it like this one. See, it's so easy. You are going to become a master in data analytics. After this full stack, or in here, we are going to change the background into no. We need more okay. To drag this one, no. We are going to guys to find this one, or I just to check this one. It looks like this one will go to formula here and to it to paste. Yes, look guys how it's changing. So we got our best background color, right? Look just guys how it's look. It's look amazing, right? So in this way, guys, you are going to create your dreams dashboard. These things support really important things you are going to do in technology. You are going to figure out what inside in your uh, work, or you can understanding any project that you want to understanding inside. Uh, so in this way, you are going to understand. And we are going to do guys something here very quick, something we are going to create a card and then paste here. We are going to see it how it's look. Let's go to use. We are going to see. So in my next tutorial, I want to show you. So bye for now, guys.